So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Dragon City account. So the first thing you want to do is to actually open up right here so you can see some of the layout of the app, and on there you can click on the gear icon which is in the top right. So if you click on that, you can see a couple of things like account, game, community, events, support, and stuff like that. So you can see here sign in with Apple, you can connect, you can change player, you can see the legal terms as well, which I suggest you read through, and you can see the option underneath that says delete account. So click on that. From there, you can see here to delete this account in its entirety, enter the word delete into the text box below and then press the delete account button. Warning, this action cannot be undone. It will permanently delete your account. So before you do that, just make sure that you done all things that you want to do within the app. So if I go to here and type out delete, and I can go ahead and click this red button. So right now it's no longer grayed out, it's a red button, and I can delete my account. So make sure that you've typed out that you have done everything you want within the game, and then you can remove that account and you can start all over if you wish so, and your game will be again completely new. So you can do exactly that. So you can start a new game, you can log in with something else and do some other ways to play Dragon City. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.